adlaw. Ako si Ania. Bisaya sa Arkansas. Welcome to the Content Hotel.
What?
Can we get it?
Sure.
Light, camera, action. Guys, over here. I gotta show you something. Come on. I'm making a fire. I'm in the fire. Come on, let's go up.
Upstairs?
Come on, let's go upstairs. So where's Mama?
I don't know.
Where should I sit? There? What?
Masa na nasa mong likod?
What? Do it again.
Masa na nasa mong likod?
Wala.
Chapel.
Hi, can we go upstairs over there? Hurry, huh?
Masa yung ring ba? Aka-creepy ano eh.
Yeah. It's creepy down there. Ooh. Let's go check it out. I'm not even scared. That's just so bad.
Oh! May fountain niyo. Yung mong mama niya hadlock. Hadlock. Oh. May wedding. Station of the Cross nila. Ka-creepy. Tag naa sa minteryuhan. Tag naa kang Dracula. Nga balay. Hadlock. Hadlock. Yabag.
Hadlock ka ma?
Kaya yung chapel niya no? Isa-isa kadali lang.
Ma?
Hadlock ka no?
Hindi ko makita ko.
Hadlock ka no? Yeah.
Mabasa ko.
Ah, nagbasa ka.
That's all, folks. Here you go, bye. Cut! Cut! Sabi yan, wag na. Sisutira ito.
Tora.
Ako na pumunta.
Unsa?
Pinagi dito sa tubangan.